Today's topic is steering system. Steering is the term applied to the collection of various linkages and to propel the vehicle in desired direction. By various steering gears, linkages transfer the motion of hand operated steering wheel to control the front axle of vehicle. There are two types of steering system, one is manual and power steering system, but the components are same. Input components, there is steering wheel, steering column and steering shaft. There are various components used in the steering geometry, the steering column, steering gearbox, drop arm, linkage rod, track rod arm, ball joint, tie rod, steering stops and etc. Then various functions of steering system. They come to function, the main function is to turn the vehicle to left or right. Then absorb the roll shocks. Rotary movement of the steering wheel is changed into angular turn of wheel. Provide directional stability. Help to controlling wear and tear of tires. Then requirements of steering system. The main requirement is the steering angle is very accurate. Then effort required by should be minimum. Then irreversible to certain degree, easy to handle. Then type of steering gearbox, worm and sector, screw and nut, worm and peg, worm and roller, recirculating ball, rack and pinion. Then power steering system. There are two types of power steering. One is hydraulic power steering HPS, another one is electrical power steering. In a hydraulic power steering, hydraulic pump take the power from engine and develop the fluid power so that the pinion assists the rack effort. In a electrical power steering, electrical motor is used to assist the steering effort. This is the hydraulic power steering layout. There is a pump which will pump the hydraulic fluid. When the driver rotates the steering wheel, the hydraulic liquid is used to assist the transmission of the or turn of the wheel. By easy, the effort required by the driver is reduced. Then electrical power steering. In electrical power steering, the electrical motor is used to assist the driver. In electrical motor, there is a driver input torque. There is a yellow line. So the driver input is changed into rack and pinion movement and convert the driver torque into rack force. Then electronic torque sensors sends a signal to the computer. The computer read vehicle speed from sensor and demand electrical power is drawn from charging system. Then computer sends the torque command to motor. Then motor create the assist torque. Then belt and ball nut transmit assist torque to rack screw. Rack screw convert the assist torque to assist force. So the vehicle is turned. Come to comparison of hydraulic and electrical power steering. Nowadays the hydraulic power steering is outdated because there are a lot of advantages in electrical power steering. In hydraulic power steering is very complicated. It's also very more weight. In a hydraulic power steering, hydraulic fluids are used. In electrical power steering, only electrical motor is used. More problems and linkages in a hydraulic power steering is not durable. Hydraulic pump exert power from engine, so it reduces the performance of the engine. In the electrical system, power is taken from the battery, so the mileage reduction is avoided. These are some comparison of hydraulic and electrical power steering.